everyone. As you can see, we do have some more products from Syncwire. In this case, we've got a USB-C to HDMI cable, which is going to be great for like if you've got an iPad Pro or even a Nintendo Switch that you want to connect up to your TV, for instance. This cable is going to be perfect for that. And then we've got a case as well, and I'm curious to see what the inside of this case looks like. I'm looking for a case to basically keep all my wires together, as well as possibly for carrying my camera and other electronics when going to different locations. So I was just hopefully this case will do that. So what we're going to do today is take a closer look at the Syncwire cable here, the USB-C to HDMI, and then also taking a look at this case here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box of the case first. The Syncwire packaging has been very good. Let's go ahead and see what it says on the back here. It says, all-in-one travel bag, keep your electronics and cosmetic accessories well organized in one bag. And supposedly there's going to be a little bit of water resistance as well, so we'll do a little test on that as well. I'm curious. So we'll go ahead and unbox this guy here. Like I said, all of the Syncwire packages so far have been like wrapped very well. I've been very happy with how they present it, and it looks very professional. So I'm happy with everything that I've seen so far. I'll leave a link up there for some of the other Syncwire products that I've taken a closer look at. So yeah, I mean, feeling it, it's a softer, hard clamshell-ish feel. Inside, got the normal gel protection there so it doesn't get moist in there. And we've got like a good place to put cables here. Mesh here, and then a larger area there. So if I was to take, say, one of my cameras here, put that in there, it would have good protection while traveling. So that's exactly what I was looking for with this bag. Let's see what else we get here. All right. If you have any questions while we're taking a look at this, make sure to ask down below. Get rid of that. Okay, so it looks like we've got a little carabiner here. It's not a great one, but it doesn't look horrible. And you could probably attach it to one of these guys here if you wanted to. I'm probably not going to do that. It's got information about activating your warranty, a user guide. I don't think we really need to worry about that. And then we have some cable ties as well. Seeing if, yeah, no, there's no, some of these smaller cases, you have the ability to do some Velcro and whatnot to kind of clamp things in. That's not the case on this one, but it's not a problem. But it is nice that they have the cable ties here. So basically you put this on one end and it'll go around the cable. So we'll take a closer look at these guys when we unbox the HDMI cable here in just a minute. So real quick though, as far as water is concerned, I know a couple of pictures online said that it was going to be, it wasn't going to be a problem. So we'll just do a little pour. Yeah. I mean, look, it's not absorbing into the fabric at all. So, yeah. So I think that's actually super cool. I was a little worried about that. So I don't think I would, drop this in water. But if water gets spilled on it, if you're in the rain or something like that, I don't think that's going to be a problem. So I'm going to go get a paper towel and I'll be right back. All right, so as you can see, water test, I think it definitely passed. Water did not go inside, it's not wet here at all, so super good on that point. So good job, Syncwire. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the cable now. Like I said, I've been happy with the way that they've packaged these. The cables themselves have felt really good. We'll go ahead and put that off to the side. So we do have just regular twist ties here. I think the only thing that would make this better, just right off the bat, would be if it came with like a Velcro strap. But like I said, this came with the Velcro strap, so happy with that. The wire thickness feels good. You know, it's definitely a thicker gauge than some of the other ones that I've seen. Yeah, cables themselves, they feel the ends. They feel really solid. Sometimes they feel, you know, with some of the other cables that I've looked at, they're flimsy. This is metal on this side, so happy with that. The cable itself, it feels good. Feels like you could bend it a few times and it wouldn't be a problem. So I'm happy with these. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do some testing on my own. I'll come back, tell you what I think, if I've run into any problems, if it works fine, whatnot, I will let you know. I'll be right back. All right, so after some initial testing, I used this with my iPad Pro as well as a Chromebook. In both cases, they worked very well. Of course, you know, only time will tell. This was just a couple of quick tests just so I could verify that the cable was going to do what it said it was going to do. But my other Syncwire cables, they've held up very well. And I've been very happy with those. And like I said, I'll leave a link up there to some of the other videos. That way, if you have any questions, let me know. So yeah, I mean, overall, I'm really happy with these products. One of the reasons why I like the Syncwire products is they're a little bit less expensive than some of the other brands that you'll see. Definitely, you know, cheaper than going to like Best Buy or someplace like that. But even some of the other brands that are on Amazon, these hold up just as good or better than some of those other name brands, and they're less expensive as well. So if you're looking for some other brand of cables, I definitely recommend Syncwire. And they do primarily do cables. This is actually the first case that I've seen from them. They may have some others, but I did want to go ahead and show how this worked. Basically, all you got to do is put that around that side, and then this just wraps. Easy cable tie, and it's nice because it keeps everything together. I'm happy that Syncwire did provide that as well. If you're interested in either one of these, I will leave Amazon links down in the description. That way you guys can check them out. Syncwire did provide these to me, but they did want me to provide my own feedback as well as if I liked it or didn't like it, to let you know. And so far, I'm happy with it. Again, zipper on this guy, it's very sturdy. Handle on it seems really good. It did repel the water. The things inside weren't going to get wet, even though water was spilled on it. So happy with that. I know this got the outside of the fabric is wet, and that will definitely dry. So no complaints on that. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like going to theme parks, home automation, electronics, but we also do other things as well, like Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series stuff as well. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.